friends, this is Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking Brussels sprouts in the air fryer. The first step to cooking Brussels sprouts in the air fryer would be to cut them into quarters. So first I will cut off the ends. And I will cut each piece in half. And then again in half, so we'll have quarters. And I will be putting them straight into the air fryer basket. So I will repeat this step for all the Brussels sprouts. So cut off the end and cut into quarters. Okay, now I finished cutting the Brussels sprouts and I will clean up the mess. I will throw out the ends and the loose leaves. And before air frying, I will toss the cut up Brussels sprouts with olive oil, salt, and pepper. So let's add olive oil, about 2 tablespoons per pound, and sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. And let's toss with your hands so the Brussels sprouts are coated with olive oil and seasonings. And now we will put it in the air fryer. And we will set the temperature to 325 degrees. And we will set the time for 15 minutes. And we're going to check the Brussels sprouts every 5 minutes to make sure they're not burning, and shake it to distribute them evenly. So every 5 minutes, please take out the basket and shake. And then put it back in the air fryer. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's check our roasted Brussels sprouts. Look at that, perfectly roasted. They're so crispy and tasty. This is going to become your favorite way of eating Brussels sprouts. These are really good. For printable recipe and more air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And also please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Hope you enjoy this recipe, and I'll see you next time.